Yes, good evening, students. We already started the chapter reproduction in plants, and we are already discussing about the asexual mode of reproduction. Okay, now one of the type of the asexual mode of reproduction is the vegetative propagation. So, vegetative propagation means the propagation, the growth of the plant, the other than the reproductive parts. So we know the reproductive parts, flowers and fruits, seeds, they are the reproductive parts of the plant. But there is the vegetative propagation where the vegetative parts are the stem, root and the leaves, basically they are the vegetative part. Some plants multiply by the mean of their vegetative parts like stem, roots, and leaves. These plants grow from their vegetative parts, not from their seeds. So these are the plants, they grow from the stem, root, and leaves. Okay, so this mode of reproduction is called the vegetative propagation. Now, first of all, we are going to discuss the vegetative mode of reproduction, vegetative propagation by roots. In some of the cases, a sweet potato like, okay, sweet potato, you already eat this sweet potato, and during the winter, sweet potato, dahlia, the swollen roots are present. In these cases, the roots under the that bulb type thing is present inside the roots. Okay, the swollen roots are present, new plants arise from these roots. So we will sow, take these swollen roots and sow it, then new plant then grow from these swollen roots. So this type of reproduction is called the vegetative mode of reproduction. Let me show you. In the book there is a, this is the swollen part, this is the vegetative mode of reproduction is shown here. So this swollen part they take, okay, and then rooted it again, and it show the mode of reproduction and it grow into the new plant. So this is the vegetative propagation type of by roots. Then in the vegetative propagation by stem, so vegetative propagation by stem, there are number of plants which regrow, which regenerate from their stems. The number of plants like potato, ginger, sugarcane and gladulus multiply the stems, they multiply from the stem. Potato seeds are weak, it means the seeds of these plants are very weak. Even you know that sugarcane they don't produce seed, even ginger they don't produce, but potato they produce seed, but they are very weak, they rarely grow into plant. In the case of you see the rose, even there the seeds are not productive, so they grow from the stem cutting. So it means these plants they grow from the stem because their seeds are very weak. The swollen tips of the underground, the swollen stem of the gladulus called corms. I'm just showing you here, just student you can see here, there is a, the swollen stem of the ginger plant is called the rhizome. Okay, like here the corm, this is the swollen stem of the gladulus plant. Okay, we sow it and the new plant will arise. This the bulb, this is you easily see in the onion. Okay, so we sow this and the new plant grow. Then here the potato also arise from the, they are called the tubers, they arise from this underground stem, basically swollen, that is not a root, that is the underground stem, it grow from it and produce a new plant. Okay, so already we discussed about it. The swollen tip of the underground stem of the potato is tuber, and then rhizome is the, sorry, the, it is the fleshy underground stem of ginger, it produce from this stem. So from the rhizome it produce. In the onion, bulb like units are there, they also help in the vegetative propagation, they help in the vegetative propagation. Okay, vegetative propagation by leaves. This is one of the very interesting mode of reproduction in plants. Some of the plants, they adapt themselves, they can easily grow from the leaves. Okay, what happened in this case is the plants like bryophyllum, tiny shoot buds rise in the leaf margin. These buds begin to form roots and produce new plants. Now I'm showing you student here, this the diagram is given. This is the fleshy the leaf of the bryophyllum. You can see at the margin new plants are start growing. Now we can take this plant from here, okay, and sow it in the another potted pot where it will grow into the new plant. So these type of plants, they adapt themselves to just regrow like from the leaves.